I've been a motorcyclist since 12 years old. In the late 90s, I got involved with a team building an electric Porsche for a national competition and really got intrigued and interested in electric power to power vehicles and decided that a motorcycle was a really good application for electric. We started off with an R1 1000cc race chassis that we used to convert to build the first bike. The typical response that we had at the time was, why did you ruin a perfectly good 1000cc R1? The big milestone that we had set for a goal in 2006 after building the first bike was to be able to compete head-to-head with the best, fastest, internal combustion engine race bikes in a world-class competition and win. For a lot of people, they became believers after that. They believed that it was a viable technology. They were seeing the beginning of the future. Using Autodesk software that we have allows us to test and prove concepts in CAD, evolve them very quickly. We have CNC equipment where we can take those CAD designs and rapidly make working prototypes to test. We have 3D printing where we can also build components to test, build carbon fiber pieces, use them to build molds from. So it allows us to proof a theory or a concept very rapidly and then go into production with it. We believe that the electric drive technology is going to become the dominant form of powering transportation.